So imagine that you are using a MacBook, because I am a MacBook user, and we often come across an issue in which you want to take a scrolling screenshot, like the content scrolls down a little bit and then the screenshot is fully. Uh, there is no built-in good way to take screenshot. I mean, for example, on Galaxy Ultra series or Galaxy phones, you can easily take the scrolling screenshot, but on Mac there isn't a good way. But there is a good app that I have been using for past like 8 to 9 months. It's called CleanShot X for Mac, and it has a bunch of features, and of course the one that I use it for is the scrolling screenshot. So let's start with it so that I don't waste your time. And this is it is always in the top bar, app bar. So you go here, it has a bunch of other things which I will show in a bit, but I want to show you the first thing first because you came for that one. Let me open actually a page that is scrolling. So this one is a just a manual list. I watch a lot of manuals recap on YouTube. So as you can see, it is a scrolling screenshot. I want to take it screenshot. Let's decrease its width a little bit. And all right, now I want to take uh, scrolling screenshot, and I recently watched Villains to Survive manhwa recap. I really liked it, so I wanted ChatGPT to recommend me some more. So it did recommend me more. Unfortunately, I did not like them. Okay, let's go. You also have a shortcut if you want to it, but I usually use the mouse click. And I will click scrolling capture. Okay, just give me some instructions, and it is giving me asking me to select the area. I am going to select the area. All right, this is the area. Got it. Now it says start capture, so let's start capture, and auto scroll option is there. I'm going to click that, and auto scroll is doing its job. It is taking the full screenshot, and it is done. Right, let's view it, and we have the scrolling screenshot. You have it, right? And not only that, let's say you have taken it, and it will stay here. I can pin it, and so that it always stays on the top. I can just move it to some right area if I want to. I can also lock it so that it is not changed. And I can also do, for example, annotation, which we will go in a bit later. We also have the sharing option, but first start with let me open the notes. We have this notes, and let's say I want to just paste it right here. Hello scrolling screenshot by CleanShot X, and now I want to just insert it here. Can I just take it and place it here? Right, isn't it cool? It does not go on your desktop. Like by default you take a screenshot, it comes here, and then you drag it. It is already here. I don't need to delete it anywhere, and that's it. We're done. And see, it takes it in full resolution. See, all the text is readable. It's not like anything is clicked or something like that. I mean, tell me if it isn't cool, right? I think it's really cool, and I will show you other features. Like, it is an amazing app. Like, it covers so many features. In fact, in most of my YouTube videos, if you see a screen recording, that screen recording or even a GIF is made by the CleanShot app, because I use it for studio level, YouTube level capture of screens and things like that, not just anything. And what you are seeing is also achievable, like a webcam, and all these things are also achievable with this one. But since I am trying to demo it, so I am using a different software, but most of the time I rely on CleanShot X. See, and this was one of the features. let me go and another cool thing, let me show you. I mean, there's so many cool things. I just want to praise this software all day long. It is so good. And let me show you. I want to like take a screenshot of something here. Let's say let me remove it. I just want to take a screenshot of this area or a full screen. And what will happen is that, where did it go? Goes back behind it. Okay. All right. So it is here. This is by the default one of the Mac. You can see there are background icons, but I don't want those icons. I want the clean experience when I am recording something or doing something. So how can I do that? So if you use CleanShot, and if you want to capture full screen or capture an area, it automatically hides the icon. See, it, I mean, it is the same thing. The icons are still there. It temporarily hides it intelligently and then brings them back when you need it. Isn't it cool? I mean, look at it. The same thing. I mean, there are so many intelligent things. When you're taking screenshot or recording, you will not see notifications here. So those things are covered. It has so many features. Let me show you. Let's take another screenshot with it and capture area and capture full screen, capture window, all those here. Timer based capture, OCR capture if you want to extract text. Record screen is here. Which will go in later. Hide desktop, if you permanently want to hide desktop icons, you can hide them, right? And then showed icons. You can also do other things, pin to screen, capture history, you can see that as well, updates, all those areas. Let me show you other things like let's say let me open some page for you so that we can do something there. All right, and let's open the CleanShot X website here. I wanted to take a screen capture here, capture area. Let's see, right? I took a capture area. Now what I want is I want to annotate it. We have seen the pin. If you don't want to, you can just press the cross icon. It will go away, and then you can upload it, which will come to, and it will directly give you a link, and you can just share that link with others, and screenshot is shared. But let's come to the annotate option. In this one, you have many intelligent options, like you want people to see like, hey, this is first option, now this is second option, then go to this tab and then go to this tab. See, I mean, how you can define different steps here. You can change the colors if you want to. See, and there are many other features here, annotation tool, that you can do directly from here, and then you can just do done, and it comes back here. It does not go there. You can still do stuff. You can, if you want to, you can still come back and then annotate it again, and done. Right now, let's say I don't use cloud option, I will be honest with it, but if you want to, you can just do like this. It will start uploading, and as soon as it's done, the link is copied. It will not paste it will not clutter your desktop here, and the link is copied. If I come to notes, for example, I can just paste the link here. This is the link of the sale, right? This is the way to share it. You also have the option to sync all the screenshot with other team members and video recordings through its cloud account if you want to. I haven't opened the cloud account. I think this one is temporary screenshot share, and then, but if you want permanent, that is a different subscription. I just bought the one-time subscription of CleanShot X, which is just $29. So if we go to, I just bought this one time. I'm using this $29. There are cloud and other options as well if you want to. And I want to show you other features as well. For example, the screen recording. I want to show that because I record, I And as you can see, I uploaded a link and it is here, the one that I just uploaded. And there is another thing that I want to do is record screen. I use it a lot, right? And not only that, I rely on GIFs a lot. So for example, let's come back here and go. This is their animation. I want also to create a GIF out of it. Let's record screen. I'm going to drag certain area. You can also go window by window, and there are other settings like you can add web, other options are also here. Quality, I just want to record a GIF. All right, let's make it 10 seconds. Done. It is creating a GIF that is created, and you will see it will not stop, only stop there. It will go much more further than that, right? See this option, trim and encode. Let's go there. You can trim the recorded video or GIF right from here. And once you're done with the right thing, you click trim, and are you sure you want to stop the processing? Okay, done here. And you can do further trimming, you can save it, you can just copy it without saving it, and you can also cancel it if you don't want to, or you can upload it to cloud. Let's cancel it. Then come back here, right, and let's change it to video. I want to now show you the video because the video one has more features. Where did the icon go? No, not this one. This is another app that I want to share with you. CleanShot X, is it running? It is running. Okay, so let's go capture record screen, which was we were working on. You can record the whole window or just some area, and then I can just say record video, because record video has bunch of other features. Let's make it like 10 seconds. 10. Okay, now we have the record video. Let's bring it here, and I want to go to the trimming section, and it has more features like you can trim it, the video. Not only that, you can change its quality from right from here. I can say no, I don't want like ultra quality, I want medium quality, because that is enough to share it with something like that. And I can also decrease it from here dimensions wise. Let's say just 480p is enough, right? And it gives you estimated size. And I can say I can do trim only, or I can do trim and convert, right? I can also see the scanning. If you want to extract text, let's do trim and convert, replace video. Got it. Now you have it comes back. You can do further trimming, you can upload it to cloud, you can pin it, remove it. Let's save it. And now we have a video that is just enough 1.9 MB to share. You can, I mean, this kind of fine tuning you cannot get with any software built in like QuickTime Player. QuickTime Player also supports screen recording, but not with these kind of details, right? Then we have, what else can I show you? There is another feature that I wanted to show you. I have shown you the annotation. There was another feature that I'm trying to recall is uh, no, sorry, these days manhwas are all over my brain. I want to show you a social media related thing. So for example, I go here and let's see, I really use it, so I'm not fully sure about it, but let's say do it like this. Let's say I want to share this manhwa on social media with my followers, and I come here. Then if I go to, I think it should be annotate. and I can add a background to it to make it more appealing. Choose from a file. Where is the background? There is the thing that I want to show you is the background option. Oh, there you are. To share it on social media. I mean, you can directly share it, but isn't this cool? You can add different types of backgrounds to make it more appealing to share it directly with your social media users. And you can also add custom wallpapers, and you can increase or decrease the padding, right? And then let me move it here so that I want to also auto balance so that it is centers. You can I want to round its corner. See how cool it looks now with rounded corners. You can cast a shadow like this so that it gives you depth. I can increase the padding, and I also want to add corners here. Let's see if that option is here. Presets, you can define presets as well. Like I can make this one my preset, so for all new things. Inset, what is inset? Oh, so you can increase the internal padding as well. So right now it is centered. You can change it. One thing I'm trying and unable to find is I want to make this one, the background, rounded. For some reason I am unable to, but still it is, I mean, really cool. I think this option should be here, but for some reason I am unable to find it. Add a new preset, my preset, okay, none, background. I want to see if I can make it rounded. Doesn't look like I have the option. This one doesn't do anything. Okay, does I feel like I am unable to find that. I feel like it should be there, but for some reason I am unable to find it. And it has some other features that I will not be able to show it to you, but they are still here. And I mean, one software for just $29 forever, and you get all those features free of cost. Not free of cost, I mean, you get all these features with you. This is amazing. This is the best value for money software I have ever found, and this is the first video I have made on a software. I have never made a video on a software. I only make video about hardware products, but it is so cool. I just want to praise it all day. And no, it is not sponsored video or anything like that, so don't blame me for that. This praise is truly genuinely coming from my heart. So anyway, let me know uh, what you think of it, and take great care of yourself, and give me your feedback. And if you find a better software, definitely tell me about it. But yeah, take great care of yourself. Bye.